Grapple fans, please welcome my guest at this time, your UKPW Women's Champion, Amira Blair. Hello, welcome to 2025. How are you feeling with the new Women's Championship?
How am I feeling about the new era of Amira, you may be asking? I'm feeling quite fabulous, darling. I actually feel like having a little bit of a challenge today, so I'm really delighted I finally get to defend it after how long I've had it for. Okay, well, I'm going to show everybody why this belt is in the rightful possession of an absolute beauty like myself. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see something incredible, something magical, something marvelous, because it's a new era, and it's the era of Amira, and it's the era of the UK Women's Champion, Amira Blair. Your dress looks very Irish.
Thanks.
I usually would like that, but I don't like it on you.
Thank you.